this one.
Make I will try and see.
All right, Organ already with us for the studio, so we'll talk about this Arsenal versus Sunderland game because everybody don't talk so many things about this game. You get the hype, don't get very very high. You get so people they talk about the games, they will beat Arsenal, they will do this, they will do that. So I won't get Organ's opinion on this particular game, you get, and maybe later Baba Sato will join us if he's still free, you get. So they do review of week 11 of the EPL. Again, we'll look at Man City Liverpool game, we'll look at Arsenal and Sunderland game because now the games really, really important because once we win, our attention will turn to Manchester City and Liverpool game. So that one will be very, very important. So, like I tell Oganora before we recorded the show, first started the recording, say we and Sunderland, our head-to-head not really relevant. So we could just look this particular game. How it will be? Oganora will tell me say, who will Sunderland? So Baba, how do you see this game?
Well, the game could be like every other game we go play team will did that level now. The one whatever they talk now, nobody even know that Sunderland will survive December. Nobody so Nottingham Forest smart anyhow last year. What happened at the end? They shall ask you now. So who be Sunderland in the grand scheme of things now? Me, my heart will cut for Sunderland. My heart no cut for Sparta Praga where they play for Champions League. Then we go beat them. We beat them well. If we don't get the 3-0 tomorrow, I'm not go happy. Sunderland care. So I just check the stats. We don't play there like since 1996, about 36 times. We don't win there 22 times. They don't win us only 4 times. We draw 10. That's the stats. Now I just check. I just check. We don't play there since 1996. We don't play there 36. We don't play there 36 times, 36 games. We don't win 22. They don't win 4. They draw 10. We don't have them like 23 goals. Eh? So what they talk now? Who can be Sunderland? We will beat them tomorrow. I'm not going ahead of myself. They will go beat them well. Tomorrow now you go see that they go metamorphose into low block. You don't talk now. Before they go enter, they no go know. Who will be those ones? If they get to left leg, we go win them. Let me tell you.
What do you think about this Peter Crouch? Peter Crouch, Gary Neville,
Peter Crouch. That one where they play Liverpool, we know Peter Crouch now. All those other people will say they be Arsenal haters. You understand? Leave Gary Neville. Come out and say in the past 3 years I've been carrying Arsenal to win the league. Now lie you go to hate watch us. When we score against us, you go know when you go pop up. You understand?
Exactly.
So leave those people. Ateta don't talk and leave the noise outside. Our ball, our eye did the ball. Shey na May next year. This league where we say we will win. February, March, we don't win this league. This league we go win now. You know people when they come back, Gabriel Jesus. Now you post yesterday. You know when I happen and see and they run for the top. Tomorrow now, no surprise say Nonima can go play. I thought for a press conference today to say one of them will come back. And the suspecting and Noni. Me, the suspecting and Noni go come. So leave all those their noise. You know, say I keep telling everybody there's one thing with Arsenal. You understand? Arsenal club we say people hate to like. Most of them are Arsenal supporters in spirit. But because of that, their hate, they don't go want to all of them they look also. If Man U they watch they play, Chelsea they play, match they play. Most people they look Arsenal match. That's the way it is. Most of them are breakaway Arsenal fans. People they support the that when look at the win. They don't they faithful enough, they run. So their mind see the Arsenal. It just be like me now. As I day here now, since Wenger, before Wenger said 40 years now they support Arsenal. When Barcelona did during the Johan Cruyff and all of them, after Arsenal, my next team are Barca. Because that time, Tiki Taka, when they do the team. That's me. I don't ever like Madrid. Because Madrid, they look like Chelsea. So my own love for any other club aside Arsenal, na Barca. Then, because I like Pep because before I call the young dust, they talk against us, they beef Ateta with the own boy. When you're supposed to eulogize, you don't make this one, you make this one, you make this one. You know what I'm saying? You be the papa. But Arsenal, Ateta think call the painter, like people not call the like Pep again. I call the one hate Man City. You understand? Because you know, say if you like coach, you go translate that to the team. I love Pep, but the way they do now, man, the guy don't be like person where he chops small winch. Just they beat Arsenal, Arsenal Ateta for no cause, for no just reason. You don't win 4 in a row in a trot. Like say we get experience now. We for don't win 2 of those. We for break that your quadruple, Abi.
Monopoly.
You that monopoly now they pay you say your boy they come up. Now you get as Ateta. Now you get this company. Now you get Maresca. You know go happy. No better papa you be. If one of your picky winner, you know go happy. May do may go rest, Jare.
All right,
So
no,
back to
no,
the
no, no.
matter. Back to the matter.
Okay.
Sunderland tomorrow they will chop her now. Must they will chop her. No two ways about
All
it.
right.
We win them. I can stake anything. We'll win them. I don't carry draw for the match. Safe. We beat them. Which draw?
All
Sunderland.
right.
Okay. Beat them. We'll beat Sunderland well. Make them come and sponsor them. Chop 5-0 like Nottingham Forest. Leave them.
All right,
Tomorrow
no,
we go win again. They'll come to say, oh, then they wait when we play not another derby. At that time they go, no. For us, it's always the next game that is our final. For us, every game from now till May, now final until we win the league. We'll go celebrate this year. Not the only league we go win Champions League. God drop, we'll go clear that.
All right, Oga David said, don't join us for the studio. Oga David, this match now, how you self take say Arsenal Sunderland? Because many haters, they don't hype the match. They talk
say good afternoon from here. Good afternoon from here.
Welcome. So how you self take the match, Oga David?
I don't see anything for the match. And I say we go win. Like I don't see. Believe you me, I was waiting for you on the other. I thought maybe you're coming on the Facebook. I don't know say so. I just said let me try and see. So, but me, I didn't see anything rather than we win. Like you do say win, or what do you call it? Win. The only thing we say I don't want me to spoil. I don't want me to spoil our clean sheet. That's all. Nothing less than 2 goals.
True.
From Arsenal. 2-0. Now they look. Then, but as this guy comes saying he go bet in life, say we no go win. So, so I want make him put in life at stake. We give him waiting me this thing where they take kill a cockroach or tapia. We put him by inside. Make,
sure.
So as soon as we win, make him drink him. I never see that kind of crazy person for my life. Which kind?
That's how I never kind in my life. I be CHUKS. You get to no. They fix match. They fix match.
You say sure for her.
How can you say you can bet your life?
What kind? Which kind of talk with that? Which kind of hate with that?
For the match, maybe say no, you go play him.
My brother,
yeah? You don't have control. You don't have control over what will happen there. You understand? So it's ain't good. Make him maybe if he die, if he reach heaven, he go look back, go see say in the level, they know they watch match for heaven. Then in how he go clear.
If they give her water, I get water, they'll take neutralizer. I will give her the water tomorrow. I'll give her ever water, I go neutralizer. With salt.
Not true now. So
don't mind them.
So
they hate people for nothing.
You see, like before, like you said, me, I'm Arsenal, Barca. I never changed my club since I think I've been watching Arsenal since I will say early 90s, if I'm not mistaken. The early 90s. One day I just woke up and I picked the club. I said, which club I go support to? Chelsea, this. Can they argue? When we did to that place, everybody they say Chelsea, some they say Man U. That time Man U they have Ferguson they for Ferguson where we say if you be referee, if you blow too much, you go carry your tag number, go give the next police. So that guy really hype Man U. After I come out with all the they threaten everybody, bulldoze. You know, say him be night now. Him day for Buckingham Palace, him day everywhere, nowhere where you know the connection. If you do anything, then go sack you. So if you do anything, then go sack you. So as him come out there, nine come open. Nothing. Since that time, they cannot get it. Forget about all this already.
Now you dey bow.
That time, man. I said, you know they agree for anybody. If referee talk rubbish, you go hold on.
All right. Oga, Laura, make I bring you now. What's going to be your own preferred formation? You know, say this game now. UK is no day, Harris no day, many players they out. Odegaard no day. You get so what's going to be your own preferred formation? I will say as for that, David.
Well, my formation will be for that midfield. That team will play Sparta Praga. Remove from the back the normal suspects, Raya, the back four as usual, Timber, Calafuri. Calafuri comes in for Capi. Then for the central midfield, the 8, I will get, of course, the usual Rice. Then Zubimendi comes back in. For the attacking midfield, Eze comes in. All right. Then on both flanks, I'll do Trossard. Saka on the right side, Trossard on the left. Then I'll go with Merino again. So for that team, we play
Sparta Prague.
I'll just remove. I'll bring in. I'll remove. Calafuri. Sorry. I'll remove.
It's the one.
I don't hear you. Like the network don't
Bring
break.
in.
Okay, David, did you hear?
It break.
It break the network. Okay, no, I like say your network they get shaky.
Bring in our Calafuri. Then I
all right.
Bring in Zubimendi again, and then.
All right, I don't mention your first 11 now. Even for first 11. Better come to Oga David now. Oga David, who go be your first 11 for that game?
My first 11, I go repeat what we played last week. What we play with for UEFA, I will repeat it for the first half. Then, if there's going to be any changes, I think maybe one of these boys go come. If we don't beat them well, let's say we don't beat them as we want. If we don't load them like 4-0, we'll come out this and put Mazdoma. Make him come.
But that means Nogat go bench Zubimendi. If you notice Zubimendi no start that game.
Okay. No. Make him not do so. make Zubimendi start because okay. I forget say Zubimendi don't get 2 yellow card. Abi, he get 3 yellow card. That's why no come. Okay. No best. No. We go come. Make him come.
Okay, your
screen is freeze. Your system is freezing. So
okay,
maybe
make you join back. Make you join back. Join us again. Your screen will freeze.
So make Zubimendi play, I beg, because I want us to clean that our clean sheet. I don't want anything we go touch on for now until further notice. You know when people tell you say until further notice.
All right, okay, David. This game now, Man City versus Liverpool. How you see the game? Because whether we like it or not, we need a result here. We go favor us. So
now draw. Either 2-2, 1-1, whatever they want to play, they should just play draw.
Okay, now draw you go for.
Now draw they pray for. If they drop, that means they are dropping 2 points. If we win our own, so the 2 of them are dropping 2 points. So, but if you say make one win, make one come up. I know like any snake na snake. No good snake. You understand? I want them to play draw. If not go less,
draw makes sense. Draw makes sense. Myself, I like draw, but if anybody go win, make Liverpool win.
Make Liverpool win, yeah.
But I prefer draw.
If Liverpool no go, Liverpool, Man City no agree for the Liverpool to win. So Liverpool too no go agree for Man City to win. So
they see me now.
Yeah, we see me now.
I don't change. Go my phone. I dey use laptop before. Freeze.
So let them play draw. I beg.
All right, Oga, the question why they ask Oga David, I say this match we want to play tomorrow, where our opponents will play next tomorrow on Sunday. Man City versus Liverpool, what will be your own preferred choice to make it happen for that match? Because we need a result there as Arsenal fans also. We get interest for that match.
Me, not to stretch them immediately. I need a draw for that match. At least make them play goalless draw. Then we stretch them. You understand? 6,
Yes.
you go 8 points and 7 points. Draw go good for us for that match. What we don't like
Seriously.
is to finish. Draw now we need to draw 0-0 draw or even score draw. Then we just go ahead of
If they
pull
like,
ahead of them.
make it be 5-5, but make them
Make
just
it
play
be
draw.
100. Now so now draw favor also. Now draw favors.
Make them play draw.
And I draw
If
9 favors.
If they draw, that means we will get 9 points ahead of Liverpool. They will get 8 points ahead of Manchester City, which is huge.
Which is huge enough. Huge enough to take the league.
And we'll come with international league.
No, I never say huge enough to take the league. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Huge enough to maintain our momentum.
I say it's huge enough to take the league. After, if you gap Man City with 9 points and you are gapping Liverpool with
Liverpool
8
9,
points.
Man City 8.
Oh, Liverpool 9, Man City 8. Don't forget, saying now money then take buy those players. They too they come to that field to perform. So with that, if we carry on like this, reach January. Once we cross over to January, match finish.
God will do it for
if we
us.
just go, if we go 9 points ahead of 8 and 9 points ahead of these two people that are facing that they be our major rivals. Yeah. See, it will affect them psychologically.
Yes.
You understand? Because we are pulling away from them. Because this is not the old Arsenal. This is an Arsenal that has the how do I put it? The grit, the experience, to be able to navigate
and determination.
Mentality.
Mentality and determination.
This team,
because
mentality. Mm-hmm. Because the mentality failed us before. Mentality. Yeah. All these boys, through the scars of the wound and those near misses, they don't toughen. They see Bukayo Saka. You see them throw side. They verse they play ball. Those guys they verse. They verse. Anything stand their way, they go clear out.
Everything we want meet now. The first of all they think about no be say to score. How do I penetrate? How do I put Ryan on walk? So now they think, okay, after that, and our front now, they know they bad. Unlike before. Before we go play, oh, we no go get anything. But now, our front is very, very productive now. Unlike what we used to have before. Because the small boys, now as a winger during your own time, once you go any secondary school, you see any small boy, you go carry him.
All right,
if the boy don't mature, you go sell him. That time.
All right.
No be Wenger they sell. No be Wenger they sell that time. Oh, we needed the money that time to build the stadium. No be Wenger they sell. Wenger no they sell. No be Wenger. Now the club. We don't get choice.
But if you say would they win cup, if they win cup, money go they come in. I'm not saying
bro, would they win cup? As a Wenger time before the last here to after he win 5 FA Cup in a row now.
No be FA.
Lie.
After FA, what do they win?
In the Champions League. Listen. Wait, Sir CHUKS. See, the holy grail for any football club in Europe, na Champions League. As a Wenger played it for 22 years, and those money were the money that were sustaining us. When Arsene Wenger said one thing then, that top 4 is a trophy, people never knew the import of what he said. Now they see him. So that man self see tomorrow. Now when Chelsea got
the fight for first 4, now you know the first 4 now very big post.
A trophy. We too. Thank you.
No, thank you, my brother. So, apart from how many matches